Here comes our next question. When the post of both the president and the vice president are vacant, who among the following officiates as president? The person who officiates as the president is the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. A option is correct. The policy that deals with the tax and expenditure policies of both of government is called fiscal policy. B option is correct. Delimitation of Lok Sabha constituencies was last done in the year. This question will be answered by you in comment section. If the Speaker of Lok Sabha wishes to tender his resignation, he has to address his letter to the Deputy Speaker. B option is correct. Money bills can be introduced in Lok Sabha with prior permission of the President. The President of India who held office for 2 terms was Babu Rajendra Prasad. Who nominates persons for various parliamentary delegation to foreign countries? It is nominated by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which one of the following committees does not consist of any member from Rajya Sabha? The committee is Estimates Committee. A joint sitting of both houses of parliament may be convened to consider a bill which was passed by one house and kept pending by other house for 6 months. B option is correct. Who will administer the oath of office to the person who is to take over as president? It will be oath by the Chief Justice of India. B option is correct. The President of India is the head of the state as well as government. When a constitutional amendment bill goes to President, he is bound to give his assent. Which one of the following Vice President resigned from his office to contest for the office of the President? It was V.V. Giri. How many persons can be nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha from among those who have distinguished themselves in art, literature, social service? The number of persons are 12. Where is the term of member of Rajya Sabha? What is the term of a member of Rajya Sabha? It is 6 years. D option is correct. The Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. According to the Indian Constitution, the ministers shall hold office during the pleasure of the President of India. The Parliament consists of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? It will be decided by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. How many types of emergencies are envisaged by the Constitution? So there are 3 types of emergencies. You will have to name all 3 emergencies in comment section. Next question. Who casts the joint session of the 2 houses of the Parliament? It is called by the President. No confidence motion against the Union Council of Ministers can be initiated in the Lok Sabha only. What is the maximum age limit prescribed for the post of the President of India? So there is no maximum limit for the President of India. D option is correct. What is quorum required for convening the Lok Sabha? It is required 110. C option is correct. In the parliamentary form of government, he is the first among equal. Who is he? He is Prime Minister. B option is correct. The chairman of the Public Accounts Committee in the Indian Parliament is the leader of opposition party. What should be the gap between first no confidence motion and second no confidence motion? So there should be the gap of 6 months. Which one of the following appointments is not within the purview of the President of India? This is Speaker of Lok Sabha. The option is correct. The expenditure made on which of the following does not require budgetary approval every year in India? It is natural calamities. B option is correct. How many persons can be nominated by the President to Rajya Sabha from among those who have distinguished themselves in art, literature and social service, etc.? The number of persons is 12. In which of the Parliamentary Financial Committee is the Rajya Sabha not represented? It is the Estimates Committee. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years. Which of the following does not come under legislative control over administration? It is budget session. C option is correct. From which fund can the unanticipated expenditure be met without the prior approval of the Parliament? This is Contingency Fund of India. B option is correct. One of the important attributes of parliamentary form of government is collective responsibility of Council of Ministers to the Parliament. D option is correct. The Parliament and the Constitution are the instruments of economic justice. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to Lok Sabha. C option is correct. 0 hour in the working of Indian Parliament means interval between question hour and next agenda. In which year was the House of the People named as Lok Sabha? It named in the year 1954. A option is correct. Nomination of Rajya Sabha members by the President was taken from the Constitution of Ireland. B option is correct here. Which of the following items is under the state list? The item that are under the state list is agriculture. A option is correct here. Next question. If the Prime Minister of India submits his resignation to the President, it will mean that resignation of the entire Council of Ministers. C option is correct. 0 hour is at the discretion of Speaker. The President of India can issue a proclamation of national emergency only on written recommendation of the Council of Ministers of Union. Which of the following is not associated with Parliament? This is dismissed, that is not associated with Parliament. Which type of emergency has been imposed only one time in India so far? It was internal emergency. A option is correct. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years. D option is correct. When was national emergency imposed by the President of India on the grounds of internal disorder? It was imposed in the year 1975. The option is correct here. Which one of the following committees is not a standing committee of the Parliament? The committee is Consultative Committee to the Minister of Finance. D option is correct here. The ministers in the Union government hold office during the pleasure of the President. If Parliament appoints a committee for a specific purpose, it is known as ad hoc committee. Who is the presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha? Presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha is Vice President of India. In which of the following list docks the subject planning figure? It is concurrent list. B option is correct. Money can be spent out of the Consolidated Fund of India with the approval of the Parliament. What is the time limit given to Parliament to pass the ordinance promulgated by the President of India? The time is 6 weeks. The estimate committee consists of 30 members from Lok Sabha. A option is correct. The Speaker of Lok Sabha is elected by all the members of Parliament. Who chairs the joint session of the two houses of Parliament? It is chaired by Speaker of Lok Sabha. Now, bill is a money bill or not will be decided by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. The winning candidate in the election of President of India should secure more than 50% and majority of the total votes polled. Who appoints Secretary General of the Lok Sabha? It appoints by Speaker. Which of the following is presided by a non-member? The Rajya Sabha is presided by a non-member. There is a parliamentary system of government in India because the Council of Ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha. What are the basic functions of Public Accounts Committee? Basic functions of the Public Accounts Committee is to examine the statement of accounts showing the income and expenditure of the state corporations, trading and manufacturing schemes and projects. A option is correct here. Which one of the following is not an All India service? Indian Foreign Service is not an All India service. Which of the following parts of the Indian Constitution ensures social economic democracy? It is directive principle of state policy. Members of the executive under presidential system of government are not members of either house of the legislature. C option is correct. The Vice President is not a member of the Parliament. Who of the following enjoys the rank of Cabinet Minister in Union Cabinet? Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission. D option is correct. The vacancy of the office of the President must be filled within 6 months. A option is correct. Who decides a bill is a money bill? It is decided by Speaker of Lok Sabha. Who presides over the joint session of Indian Parliament? It presides by Speaker of Lok Sabha. The concept of concurrent list in Indian Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of Australia. C option is correct. The presidential form of government consists of following. It consists of fixed term of office, no overlap in membership between the executive and the legislature, popular election of the president, all of the above. D option is correct. How many members can be nominated to both the houses of the Parliament by President? The number of members are 14. D option is correct. Next question. Residuary powers under the Indian Constitution means the power which have not been specifically enumerated in the Union list, state list and concurrent list. The option is correct. How many members are nominated by the President to Rajya Sabha? The number of members is 12. The chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of the Parliament is appointed by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. In which house is the presiding officer not a member of that house? It is Rajya Sabha. B option is correct. The President of India has the discretionary power to appoint the Prime Minister. Name the two non-permanent houses in the parliamentary setup of India. Two non-permanent houses are the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. The option is correct. The ministry sometimes referred to as Green Ministry in India is Ministry of Environment and Forest. In presidential government, the president is independent of the legislature. Residuary powers in the Indian Constitution have been assigned to Union Parliamentary only. Now, money bill can be introduced in only House of People means Lok Sabha. C option is correct. What is the minimum age required to become Prime Minister of India? There is no minimum age, there is 30 years. C option is correct. Next question. Parliamentary or presidential government can be distinguished mainly by the legislative-executive relations. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250.